हेलो स्टूडेंट, अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे रिफ्रैक्शन। देन रिफ्रैक्शन इज डिफाइंड एज द फिनोमेना ऑफ bending of light when light is passes from one medium to another medium, then its will bends according to the refractive index of medium. And to calculate the bending of light, we use the Snell's law. And there are two laws of refraction. In the first law of refraction, when light is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, then its will bends toward the normal. And in the second principle, when the light is passing from denser medium to rarer medium, then its will bends away the normal. So we first define the refraction. Then refraction of light is a phenomena. Refraction of light is a phenomena of bending of light. Bending of light when light is passing from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. The bending of light depends on the refractive index of medium. On the refractive index of medium. The bending of light that means angle theta is calculated from Snell's law. There are two laws of refraction. There are two laws of refraction. In the first law of refraction, when light is passing from a rarer medium to denser medium, then its will bends toward the normal. When light is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, then it will bends toward the normal. And here we consider there are two medium of refractive index mu1 and mu2. The medium which has refractive index mu1 is known as the rarer medium, and the medium which has refractive index mu2 is known as denser medium. And this is the boundary of medium AB, and CD is normal to the two medium. When light is coming from the rarer medium to denser medium, then it will bends toward the normal. If both medium are same, then the light will move along the dashed line. And this line is known as incident ray. And the medium is known as a rarer medium. Of refractive index mu1, and this is the angle of incident, and this angle is known as theta1, and this is the angle of refraction, and this angle is known as theta2, and the ray is known as refracted ray. Then by using the Snell's law, we know that the refractive index of medium and sine of angle is equal to refractive index of the other medium and sine of angle. So we can write that the refractive index of medium 1 and sine of angle in medium 1 is equal to refractive index of medium 2 into sine of angle in medium 2. And this formula is used to calculate the value of the bending of light, that means the angle theta.